Okay, this is one of the 44-inch Harbor Breeze Mayfield ceiling fans here in my nephew's old house. This is the one that is in my nephew's old room, and as you can see, it's an office now. It's not a bedroom anymore. So this was actually one of the fans that we had to fix. It kept stalling for some reason when it was running, and so I got up inside there and kind of messed with the wires a little bit, and I'm not really sure how I fixed it, but I did. And I think maybe one of the wires was touching the box or something, and it was just stalling. I don't know. I'm really not sure what I did to fix this fan, but I fixed it, so that's the main thing. There's the light. Here's low. So it would I think what the problem with it was it would run for a few seconds and then it would shut off, and then it would run for a few more seconds then shut off. I don't know. But anyway, it's fixed now. All the wiring connections seemed pretty tight, so I think it was just one of those wires were touching the box, so I kind of took them away from the box a bit. And I think that's how I fixed it. So this fan's basically the same as I remember it. Runs about the same. Makes a little noise too. Has a pretty aesthetic low. Most of these fans have the same pull chain extensions that were here when my family lived here. It was my sister-in-law who actually made these. She's a jewelry maker, and she made those for the fans. Most of them are still on them. Pretty noisy, and the globe shakes. I think this is the speed it's kept on the most, too. And here's high. Blows plenty of air for the room. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.